Everyone has a question in their mind: do I deserve to be loved? This problem is often accompanied by inner struggle, which makes us fall into pain and doubt. When we ignore ourselves and indulge ourselves in negative emotions, the world seems to become extremely dark. However, the source of love actually comes from within. Once we find this power, we can transform all pain. Buddha once talked to a disciple with inner pain. The disciple felt that he did not deserve to be loved and fell into self-blame and regret. Buddha smiled and said, "Can you accept this flower?" The disciple was puzzled, but reached out and took it. Buddha said, "Flowers are beautiful, and so are you. The question is not whether you deserve it, but whether you are willing to see your original beauty." Inner love and strength do not need to be recognized by the outside world, just need your own permission. True self-love does not come from external recognition, but from deep heart compassion. When we learn to treat ourselves with compassion, we will be able to touch our inner wisdom and strength. Through inner observation and reflection, we can find the unconditional self-love, which is not limited by any external factors. The light in the dark is the manifestation of this power. In the process of getting out of the trough, the light in the heart always exists, but sometimes it is covered. When we learn to calm down and accept ourselves, we can find this light. No matter how the outside world changes, loving yourself and understanding yourself is the source of all power. This is kindness, which brings inner peace and strength through self-care. Compassion is not only forgiveness and love for others, but more importantly, compassion for yourself. When we face failure, negligence and pain, we often choose to blame and criticize ourselves, but neglect to give ourselves the care we deserve. Inner compassion is a healing power that can help us get out of trouble and reconnect our inner strength. Through daily meditation, we can practice accepting everything we have, so as to rebuild our inner self-love and strength. Many people find it difficult to love themselves because they care too much about the opinions of the outside world. In fact, love is an inner choice, not an external reaction. When we learn to accept ourselves, whether it is strengths or weaknesses, we can find the unconditional love. This kind of love not only brings inner peace, but also enables us to face the world with a more open mind. Accepting yourself is a path to true happiness and strength, and it is the foundation of all external love. Pain and challenges are part of growth, but we can always find the light in the dark. When we are in trouble, we often feel lonely and helpless, but in fact, these moments are the key to regaining our strength and confidence. Through introspection and meditation, we can find inner peace, which is like the starlight in the night, guiding us to the light. In the face of pain, we observe with a quiet heart and find opportunities for growth and wisdom from it. When we feel heartbreak and pain, compassion can heal all wounds. This kind of compassion is not only for others, but also for forgiveness and care for oneself. When we learn to treat ourselves with compassion, our inner wounds will gradually heal. Real healing comes from inner peace and love. This power can not only bring self-rebirth, but also help us re-examine all the challenges in life.